welcome back to Bocce's Corner. We're in Bocce's kitchen, my kitchen. I am going to make a couple of my Big Mac salads for the upcoming week for lunches. I'm only going to make two, and I just thought I'd bring you along with me. So come join me and let's get to it. Okay, I have a lettuce. I like to pound out the core. So this is what I call my grazing salad. When I make my salads, I like them nice and big. And sometimes it takes me all day to eat it. And other times, depending on how hungry I am, I'll sit down and eat the entire thing. Most of the time, I like to graze on it. I'll eat half, at lunchtime, then I'll eat a little bit more like as a snack, and then before I know it, it's dinner time and I'm still full from lunch. So this is my grazing salad. Got my onion. I'm using a yellow all-purpose. So I know Big Mac salads or Big Macs do not have tomatoes, but this is my Big Mac salad, so mine will have tomatoes. I have some mozzarella cheese, so I'm going to put that. So I have my pickles. These are the ones that I made. They're spicy. I don't put the pickles into my salad right now. I put them in a Ziploc bag because I'm afraid the vinegar in the pickles will wilt everything that's in my salad. So I always deal with this separately. I also do my hamburger separately so that if I choose to, I can heat up the hamburger so it's nice and warm in my salad. So this is my Big Mac salad kit. Now let's make our salad dressing. Okay, I'll try not to bump you. I'm right behind you. Not behind you. I'm behind the camera. Duh. Okay, let me, it calls for 1 cup of mayonnaise. So I'm going to measure out a cup. I can actually do it right here. So it's up to this line right there. So I'll just put it in the jar directly. A 1/4 cup of Vidalia onion. I don't have Vidalia onion, but I do have the other half of my all-purpose onion. So that's what I'm gonna have. A little bit more, but that's okay. More is better. Oh, in case you have not guessed it, and I don't believe I mentioned it, but I am making a Thousand Island dressing. That's my special sauce. It's about as close as I will get to the Big Mac special sauce. Reminds me of a Thousand Island dressing, so that's what I'm making. Two and a half tablespoons of ketchup. Two tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. One teaspoon of white distilled vinegar. Half teaspoon of sweet paprika, and I believe this is sweet because I compared the smell between this and a smoked one, and you can tell the difference. So this is the sweet paprika. So a half a teaspoon. It calls for a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Gonna use my pink Himalayan. I was gonna whisk it, but since I already have this dirty, why dirty a whisk? Unless I have to. And I think I have to. So now I'm gonna add some of my pickle brine into this. See how 1 tablespoon does it, works. Because when I go to use this, I measure out the 2 tablespoons and then I add about another tablespoon of pickle brine to my dressing, so it's not such a heavy dressing. I'll do one more. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I really like the onion, the all-purpose onion in here better than the sweet Vidalia. So, very good. Now I just want to wipe this up a little bit, clean it up. You're supposed to wait an hour before using this dressing, but honestly, I think if you wait till overnight, use it the next day, oh my lord, these flavors really explode. They really come together nicely. So this is my homemade Thousand Island dressing for my Big Mac salad. So I will either write out the recipe for the Thousand Island dressing, or I will try and find it and link it in my description box of my video. So with that, I just want to once again thank you for joining me at Babci's Corner in Babci's Kitchen, my kitchen, while I made my little Big Mac salads for the upcoming week. For lunch, preferably, maybe breakfast at this point. I've been craving this so much, so I can't wait to eat this tomorrow. So I hope to see you soon, and until next time.